8 districts in Bangladesh: Sunamganj, Maulvibazar, Habiganj, Feni, Comilla, Noakhali, Khagachori, and Chattogram are currently facing heavy rainfall and upstream flooding. Weather experts warn of the further flood situation, potentially affecting more districts and river. In Habiganj, water levels have reached historic high, breaking 50 meters record according to the flood forecasting and warning center. Habiganj Khwai River is flowing at 11 meters, well above its danger level 9 meters. The Mohuri River in Chattogram has also broken 90-year record on the Indian side. Experts said that water level in some rivers are expected to remain above danger level in the next 24 hours. The opening dam in India during the peak season was worst situation. Expert predicts that Gumti River in Comilla may similar rise above danger levels, potentially causing short-term flooding in low-lying areas. Meteorological organizations have forecasted medium to heavy rainfall in southern and southeastern area of Bangladesh, as well as in adjacent upstream areas. This could cause water level high such as Mohuri, Feni, Halda, Shangu, Motamohuri, and Gumti. So situation is very wet. People are suffering. Heavy rainfall as a wild marked low pressure systems over southern Bangladesh. So we need immediate support, immediate help for the people who are suffering for this sudden flood. More than 50 lakh people are suffering from this flood.